So on the next block over, we have some gas services going in. So Joe here will get this main installed, we'll get it gassed up, and the following crew that we'll go see, they'll come over and follow up behind Joe and install the services. So we're replacing the entire system, the gas main, as well as the services going into the residence. What you see here is an actual pipe horn locator. Foreman and labor here are going to do an inductive sweep of the existing gas service just to verify the marks. A lot of these old services, while they may have been replaced with plastic, they're inserted in the old existing service, so there's no tracer wire. So we cannot conductively locate, we have to inductively locate, which is what they're going to perform here, an inductive sweep, just to verify these locations and possibly pick up any utilities that might have been missed during the locate. So we like to use the pipe horn for this. Particularly it has a high frequency that makes it work well for inducing. Now they're going to walk lot line to lot line just to verify that there's nothing that was missed and verify the other existing locates where they came. So again, trust but verify. So that mark happened to be accurate. We verified it. We know 100%. When we dig down on there, we should find a gas service. We all know that all utilities don't run in a straight line. Some run horizontal in the parkway before they enter the residence. So using different pieces of equipment to make sure you got an accurate locate is paramount.
And then like on my end of it, I have someone helping me locate. So when I do a safety sweep with a pipe horn, there's two of us.
A little work. What do you say, Joe? It takes about probably 3 hours to sweep an entire block.
So like this block is 600 feet long. There's 18 houses per side. Me and Kevin can do all the gases and all the waters in about 3 hours.
So a little extra time up front. You damage one utility, you're down for the entire day. So the little extra effort up front pays on the back end. Keeps everyone safe and keeps everyone happy. Like I said, a little extra work on the front end makes things go a lot smoother for everybody. You don't have laborers digging over utilities that aren't there. You're not having damages. You have one damage, you're down half a day, sometimes a whole day. So I think there's a misconception on putting those things on the front end actually saves on the back end. And I think there's a old school mentality that's not their job. Well, it's everyone's job to make sure we put this product in the ground safely.
Over the 5-6 years me and him been together, we've gotten pretty good at this. So like I said, I hated digging on something that, just because someone put a paint mark down, I gotta dig there. Like I said, I'm a glorified locator, so I can help these guys.